Good night, little blue truck. I love you, Sullivan. Good night, little blue truck. I love you again, Sullivan. Bumpity bump down the road came little blue truck with his good friend Toad. Thunder crashing, lightning flashing, two good friends were homeward dashing. See the Toad and the little blue truck? Such a wet and stormy night. Their warm garage was a welcome sight. In they went and shut the door, but it wasn't very long before "Ma," said the goat. "Please, little blue, can I come in here with Toad and you?" "Cluck," said the hen. "It's wet outside. I need a nice safe place to hide." See, there's the hen. There's the goat. "Honk," said the goose. "Don't care for lightning. Stormy nights are a little bit frightening." There's the goat. There's the goose. There's the cow. "Moo," said the cow. "Can I come in too? I feel safer here with you." "Quack," said the duck. "There's quite a crowd. Can I squeeze in? Are ducks allowed?" "Oink," said the pig. "Is there room for me? I'm cold and wet as I can be." See, there's the pig. There's the duck. There's the toad. There's the goat. There's the cow. There's the hen. There's the goose. "Beep, beep, beep," said little blue. "There's room for you and you and you. Everybody gather round. Thunder's such a grumbly sound." Clouds bump and tumble in the sky, but here inside we're warm and dry, and all thirsty plants below will get a drink to help them grow. Close to blue, over and under, they listen to the rain and thunder. Little blue truck. Duck said loud as he could quack it, "Thunder's just a noisy racket." Boom, said goat. "It isn't scary. I was not afraid, not very." "Just a noise," said pig. "No wonder. Look at pig. I'm not scared of a little thunder." After a while, the clouds blew on. The night was still. The storm was gone. Goat said, "We feel better, Blue. It's easy to be brave with you." Pig said, "I feel sleepy now. Let's all head home," said Cow. That's the cow. The rain had stopped, and way up high, the moon was a smile in the starry sky. "Good night, pig. Here's your pen. Good night, duck. Good night, hen. Good night, goat. You're home now. Good night, goose. Good night, cow." Horn went beep, engine purred. Friendliest sound you ever heard. Blue and Toad drove home together. Two good friends. See, there's the Toad. There's Blue car. Two good friends in any weather. Toad lay down on his own small bed. "Croak good night, little Blue," he said. Blue gave one small sleepy beep. Then little blue truck fell fast asleep. Good night, little blue truck. Good night, Sullivan.